Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from various companies such as Google, Capgemini, Optum, DHL for various roles such as software engineer, full stack developer, Python developer, and many more. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. Before we discuss the hiring, like the video, smash the subscribes. So first we have from Optum. Optum is hiring for full stack engineer. The location will Hyderabad. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handling day-to-day life. As an Optum employee, you have to review system documents. With that, involved in creation of document designs, design patterns, also working on unit testing. Additionally, with that, you are also supporting the QE team in such terms like code deployment, clarification, and many more. You are working with deployment team and many more. You can read this all responsibility. Let's move to the requirement for this role. You have undergraduate degree or equivalent experience and good knowledge of React.js, Java, and Spring Boot. So this is for freshers. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Google. Google is hiring for web solution engineer. University graduates 2025 are welcome to apply for this role. The location will Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon. Let's move to the required qualification for this role. Bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience and have some experience in coding using either Java, C++ or Python. With that, good experience in SQL, technical designs, web technologies, troubleshooting, and stakeholder management. Here are the preferable qualifications for this role. Good to have bachelor degree or advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering. With that, have some working experience with edtech product. Good to have leadership and management skills. With that, amazing communication skills. So let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. Here are the responsibility. You can read this. So this for freshers. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for Python developer. Location will Bangalore. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. As a Capgemini developer, you have to work on analyzing and solve software engineering problems. With that, you are working on applications of software engineering regarding designing, development, and maintenance. Additionally, you are also collaborate with additional teams for their requirements. So let's move to the requirement for this role. 0 to 4 years of experience required for this role. It means fresher are also welcome to apply for this role. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from DHL. DHL is hiring for software engineer. I think you all know about DHL. Let's move to the responsibility of the candidate. You have to interact with business stakeholders and other technical team members for analyzing business applications and requirements. With that, you have to design integration solution, implement using web spare message broker. Let's move to the requirement for this role. Have proficiency in IBM WTX, ITX10 and WMQ. With that, strong knowledge of SQL Unix. Good to have familiarity with EDI industry, strong understanding of HTTP, HTTPS, and many more. Here is it. You can read this. So this is also for fresher. If you are interested for this role or your skill set are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.